what's up everyone, this is Oheduzzaman and it's tech news time. So at first, now Samsung will probably follow the iPhone 12 rules. Like them, Samsung will probably ship Galaxy S21 without a charger, and they will sell their charger separately. That's the business strategy, we all know, but it's the start. For now, actually more manufacturers will follow this and will start to ship phones without a charger. Xiaomi Redmi K30S is now official, and it's with a Snapdragon 865, display 140Hz. Sounds familiar, right? Because it's exactly the same rebranded Xiaomi Mi10T, what you have seen already, and this is just a rebranded. They are doing it for in many places. Redmi has high reputation, so they are just rebranded Mi10T from Redmi and will sell this Redmi K30S in different countries. I quite like this design. This is one of the best designs Xiaomi has ever made. This camera module and everything, just it's not AMOLED, it's IPS display. That's the only drawback I have found in this, and other than that, everything about this phone is amazing. And now it's smart wearable time. Amazfit GTR2 and GTS2. Last month in China they has been announced this, and from today this wearable is now will be officially announced in United Kingdom and United States. This will be on sale from October 13 and November 15, and the price is $179. The design is quite familiar with the previous generation, but they did some improvement, and this is definitely some good smart wearables. Again, it's Xiaomi, and today's news is probably full of Xiaomi's news because this is what it is. And Xiaomi MIUI launcher is adding a feature from where you can go from vertical to horizontal recent app screen menu. This is one of the feature what I was missing, and this is one of the reason I didn't like MIUI. But now it's everything. This is so good. Now MI12 is the skin what I like. This horizontal skin is kinda look like stock Android and quite familiar with OnePlus, and this is really so good. And another smart wearables, it's Xiaomi Mi Watch, which is now appears in FCC listing, is an Lite version. So basically it's Xiaomi Mi Watch Lite with key specs, and also an image has been leaked. This is so good and kinda look like Apple smartwatch, but if you are into that, you can have one. This is square looking smartwatch. And now if you are into gaming, you already know that PlayStation 5 has been announced, and Marcus Brownlee has uploaded a video from there. He has been unboxed the all PS5 and with accessories, so you can definitely check that. It's amazing, the PlayStation 5, man. This will be really good for gaming. That's for it today. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next time with another tech news and also smartphone reviews and gadget reviews. So hit the like and bell icon if you haven't already. See ya.